Live inside the Santa Fe while the Santa Fe is riding the tow truck. Welcome to Antipolo, Paddy's Point. Elcano. Shout out Leonardo's! Paring Axel! This is the nightlife here in Antipolo. But I ain't got time to go out and do my nightlife. I have work to do. I have kids to raise. We're not rich to just sit back and relax. We have to work our ass.